Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the um, additional, additional of the Friday edition. Friday, November the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yeah. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, first one. Number 9557, I believe. 9557. Here. Let me check. Yeah, correct. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one is 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzles. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Question is it a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Third column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in the third column. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 9. Alright. Then, let me see. 6. Yeah. How about? You know, 9 here. How about we have a pair? The 2 and the 9 in this row, the 2 and the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 5. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. Then, let me see. 2. 7. 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 in this row. No 3 in this box. Here, 3 in the first column. No 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. All Right. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 3 should be here. Oh, wait. Then, let me see. 2, 2. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the third box. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left now in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see another 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Then. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. We have a 9 here, so 2 and 8. 8 and 9. 8 and 9, okay. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5, 5. Then, let me see. 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 8, 9, 6. 8, 9, 6, okay. 6. In this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair, the 5 and the 6 in the last column, the 5 and the 6 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places level, the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 5 goes and there. Alright. Then 3, 7, 8. Yeah. 3, 7, and need 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. In this column, we need a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the row above, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. All right. 5, 5. Okay. Then let me see. Let me see. 7 and the 3. 8, 7 and 3. Okay. 7 and the 3. 2, 9. 7, 8 and the 3. 7, 8 and 3. Well. Yeah. How about? Need a 1 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 here. How about here? 2, 8, and 3. Yeah. 2, 8, and 3. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes in there. Okay, so here the 8 and the 9 are left. Well, here can be an 8, because these 3 missing numbers are the numbers. 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. So we have an 8 in the last column. So this box can be an 8 and 1. That box should be an 8. This box should be 9. So 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those. 4 and the 9. Okay, so we have a pair here. The 1 and the 2 in the last row. The 1 and the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. All right. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. No, only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is to number 1. Alright. Then let me see which number can I pick. 4 and 9. No. 2. The 6. How about the 2 then? Yeah. Can I count the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 7 skill not. Continue. Come on. 3 and the 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, I believe, 3, 7, 8. We have a 3 now, so the 7 and 8 are left. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3, the middle column, no, only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3. Okay. This was 2. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let me see. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place level 7 should be there. and all the sevens are used. Yeah, all the sevens I can. Yeah, sevens. Digit number 5, number 7. Okay. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Now only place level 4 should be there. 4 to 9, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 8 and 9. Well. 5 and 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So last row, so the row between. Now only place level 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 60 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Yep. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.